Hi there, I'm Rami from Ledger, and today I will take you through a few steps for keeping your wallet secure and your digital assets safe. The most important thing is to securely store the private keys you use to control your digital assets in a Ledger hardware wallet. You should also follow certain processes to keep your wallet as secure as possible. Be aware that scammers will try to trick you into giving them access to your wallet. In this video, I'm going to explain how to maintain the security of your wallet and avoid scams. Let's get started. You should always secure your digital assets by keeping your private keys in a secure hardware wallet rather than a software wallet or an exchange. If you keep your assets on an exchange, it holds and controls them. So, you could lose access at any moment if something goes wrong. Also, if you use a software wallet, your private keys are exposed to the internet and can be compromised by hackers. This is why you should use a Ledger hardware wallet. If you want to find out how to migrate from an exchange or a software wallet, check out the description for links to these tutorials. Your 24-word recovery phrase is the foundation of your Ledger wallet security, so always keep it safe and never share it with anyone. If someone gets hold of it, they can access all your private keys and control your digital assets. So, never share your recovery phrase with anyone, including Ledger. You will never be asked to share your recovery phrase by anyone from Ledger. You should also make sure to keep your recovery phrase safe from loss or damage. You can use the recovery sheets that come with your device to record your phrase. Alternatively, you could use a product like a CryptoSteel, which lets you record your phrase in metal to protect it from erosion and damage. However you record it, make sure to keep your recovery phrase separate from your device and store it in a secure place. You should always take a moment to verify your Web3 activities and never rush into a mistake because you've assumed it is safe. An important first step is to check that your Ledger device is genuine. This is easy to do and happens automatically when you connect to Ledger Live. You can also check it manually. If you're using a computer, plug in your Ledger device and unlock it using your PIN. Open Ledger Live, click My Ledger on the left-hand side. Then, on your Ledger, tap Allow Connection. Back on Ledger Live, allow Connect. If your device is genuine, you will see a check mark with the words Genuine Check next to your device's name. If you're using a smartphone, make sure Bluetooth is turned on and select My Ledger in the bottom right-hand corner of the Ledger Live app. Tap on the device name in the app and they will connect. Then, unlock your Ledger device, and now you can verify that your Ledger device is genuine. Another way to verify you're not being scammed is to use clear signing when confirming a transaction. Clear signing makes transaction data human-readable, so you can understand and verify what you're authorizing. It is the default setting for confirming transactions on all Ledger devices. If you want to find out more about clear signing, you can watch the tutorial on clear signing versus blind signing. Also, make sure to download Ledger Live through your device's official app store or the web page, and if you already have it installed, always make sure to keep it updated. It's really important to remain vigilant when you do anything in Web3 and to always assume that someone might be trying to steal your assets. This sounds scary, but you need to stay alert if you're going to stay safe. Be aware that asking for help on social media can attract the wrong attention from scammers looking to exploit your vulnerability. If you need technical assistance, visit our support page to find help articles, or you can create a support ticket. Also, remember that no one who works for Ledger will ever call or DM you, and we will never ask you to share your secret recovery phrase. If you receive this kind of message, it's a scam. In this video, we covered all these important points about keeping your Ledger device secure and how to avoid scams. Thanks for watching this Ledger tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel, and if you have any questions or comments, let us know. Till next time, stay secure.